she'd look at me and say, what are you looking at? And I was saying, I can actually feel the pain going out of my toe. And she said, but is that not what you came over for? My name is Belinda Hall. I'm a specialist assistive technology practitioner, and I'm also a biomagnetic pair therapist. I let a Euro pallet fall on my toe and it completely broke my toe. It shattered the bones. So I went to the hospital, to A&E, and this was on the Friday, they told me that I was going to require surgery the following Friday, and I had to meet the orthopedic surgeon on the Wednesday. She told me that one of her friends was a healer and she used magnets to heal, and that as far as she was aware, she's used them very successfully in repairing breaks. So I rang this lady who was 86 at the time, and she said to me, you won't need surgery on the Friday, come up to my clinic tonight. So my husband drove me over to this lady who placed a magnet under my foot. And I sat there while she treated somebody else in the chair beside me for 2.5 hours. And during that 2.5 hours, I felt the swelling going out of my foot, and every time I looked down, because I could feel the change, she'd look at me and say, what are you looking at? And I was saying, I can actually feel the pain going out of my toe. And she said, but is that not what you came over for? And I said, well, I wasn't expecting it to happen that quickly. I felt like this, just like a click or a pop in my toe, and it sort of frightened me. So I looked and jumped down and looked at it. And she said to me, now what are you looking at? And I said, I actually feel like something's just moved in my toe. And she said, that's just the bone joining together. That's just natural. That's what you came for. Following afternoon, which was a Tuesday, I was walking without the boot. There was minimal pain in my toe. And I said, I actually don't think I need to go to this guy tomorrow, the orthopedic surgeon. And he said, look, you're going to pay for him anyway, so you might as well go. So I put my runner on and I drove to the appointment. I went in and he was showing me the x-ray in detail and showing me how badly it was broken and that it was going to need at least 2 surgeries to repair. Maybe 3. And I explained, he said to me, you must be in excruciating pain. And I said, well, actually, no. I went to this lady who's used magnets on Monday, and I actually don't have any pain in it. My toe has gone back to its normal size, and the only sign that I damaged it was the bruising under my nail that was still under my nail. So he got a little bit annoyed. He said, I'm going to have to probably do 3 surgeries now. You never know what you've done. I'm going to have to re-x-ray it and whatever. So I said, well, if you're going to have to re-x-ray it and I'm having the surgery at 11 o'clock on Friday morning, can we re-x-ray it while I'm here? So he agreed, and at 6:15, he called me in and he handed me a piece of paper and he said, I don't need to see you anymore. And I said to him, oh, so I don't need surgery? And he said, I've got other patients to see. I don't need to see you anymore if you want to just pay a reception. So I reached out to Dr. Garcia. And from then on in, I did his level 1 and 2. And now I've traveled over to do his advanced. What I picked up in the first hour on the first day has blown me away. He's just a genuinely nice, interesting, caring guy. Like, there's no question you can't ask, and he just is so helpful. He's very approachable. His training, his teaching skills are so natural. It's fantastic. It's just fantastic. It really is.